name is JT Kent. I'm one of the developers here at Cubicle Fugitive. Today we're going to be talking about the content editor, specifically the image manager within the Sitefinity CMS, and we're going to use that to embed images within a content block. So let's launch the project and begin. So I'm going to drag on a content block, and I'm going to start by entering in some text. Typically you would enter in an image perhaps below some text. So that's what we'll do. Now the image manager is the icon that looks like a landscape. You click on that and that brings up the image manager dialog. You have options here, selecting an image from your computer, but we're just going to use a image that's already been uploaded. Once you've chosen your image, you hit done. This will bring up the image properties. You can choose to display as the original size, or I'm going to choose a small thumbnail here. Hit save. This will display the image. Click on the HTML tab, brings up the unique GUID of the image. This will be useful if you need to replace an image later on.